Happy summer solstice. We are certainly excited to bring in the new season. And what's the new season in your own life? As I come back from the Unity Convention and bring forward the message of hope and inspiration and willingness to stand strong together in what we believe and what we teach and living from a higher perspective, we all get to say, what's my part? How do I come bring this message of positive inspiration, of truly making a difference with who I am into the world? I mean, that's who we are in Unity. We're not just an idea, but we're actually a living presence for that divine essence to bring forth a new season, a new time into our world. So on this beautiful summer solstice day, I want to invite you to join us on Sunday. Let's share in this excitement of a new season together and create the world that works for all, to create a unity experience that lifts up hearts, minds, and beings together. I'm grateful to be in the presence of you and to invite you into the presence of the divine together on Sunday. Have a blessed, happy summer solstice.